Hi, selling by design is a way more powerful strategy than selling by default. What it means is when you sell the right product to the right customer with the right approach at the right price point, that's when we say that you have the right sales strategy in place. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that can help you to accelerate sales in your business. And here's the reality when it comes to the profession of selling, that majority of people take the reactive approach when it comes to the profession of selling. They wait for their customers to come to them before they could have an opportunity to talk about their goods or services. They wait for the leads or the references to come from their happy customers or from their bosses, which is basically conducting yourself on a default mode, being in sales. Now if you want to become proactive, if you want to become really productive as a salesperson, then one needs to become an initiator, a go-getter, as they say in sales. You need to be a go-getter. So in this video, let me now share with you, in order to become more proactive, in order to become a go-getter, what all things you need to have to achieve that kind of excellence as far as your abilities and skills are concerned. So the first tip that can help you to scale up your sales in your business is when you have the right sales strategy, or when you have the relevant sales strategy in place. So what do I mean by having the right sales strategy? It means you need to know who is your customer and how are you reaching out to those customers. What is your go-to-market strategy? And in order to come to an answer or to figure out an answer to this question, let me share with you a couple of sales strategy that may be more relevant to your business. So the first sales strategy is direct selling, where you are directly selling to your customers, either in the B2B space or in the B2C space, which is the first. The second sales strategy which may be relevant in your business is online selling or digital selling, where you are doing webinars and you are informing about your products and your services to your customers and during that webinar and selling them ultimately. Or you could be driving traffic into your business, into your website, and then sell them through that. You could be driving traffic to your website through social media by doing ads on social media platforms like Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn. Or you could be selling also through other third-party websites like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, which are also the sources from where you can generate more sales. The third selling strategy that may be more relevant to you in your case is when you appoint channel partners. Especially if you are a product-based business, if you are a manufacturer, if you are a retailer, or if you are a trader, then you need channel partners so that you don't have so much of inventory and stocks lying at your warehouse, and you can make sure by appointing dealers, distributors, franchisees, licensees, affiliates, agents, people like this, so that by having such channel partners, having associated with them, you could improve your reach to your final customers through these people. So these are the different strategies that you could out of which you could be selecting and deciding as to which is the most relevant or which are the relevant strategies for you. Let's come to the second tip that can help you to scale up sales for your business, and that is by having the right sales system. Have a right sales system, which is basically about identifying the processes, procedures, and the steps in the sales process. So the first thing, in order to create a sales system for your business, is to identify the steps in the sales process. What are the steps that you take your customers through during the sales process? What does the customer journey looks like, right from the point when you generate a lead until you close the deal with a customer? So that is the first step. The second thing that you need to have are multiple presentation, multiple scripts when it comes to giving presentation to your customers, because you cannot have one size fit for all customers when it comes to giving presentations. So you need to have different types of scripts which you could be using with different people depending upon the kind of different challenges, different problems you come across of your from your customers. That is the second thing. The third thing that you need in order to create a sales system are support materials. You could be having catalogs, brochures, testimonials, case studies. So these are the three things that can help any business to create a sales system, develop a sales system. Now let's come to the third thing that third tip that can help you to accelerate sales in your business, and that is by developing sales teams. So you need to have a team in place. If you were to scale your business, you may be really good at what you do, you may be a great salesperson, you may be having a great product or service, but unless you have a team, you may be at this level right now, but if you want to scale up to this level or even higher than that, then you need to have the support of your sales team who is going to help you to achieve that kind of outcome. And in order to develop a sales team, you need to have two types of sales people in your organization. First is people who are experienced. Now they come with the track record of results for them. They have the industry knowledge, they have the knowledge of the product, and that is the first type of sales people you need. The second type of sales person that you would require are door openers. Now these are guys that are required for every organization who would go out in the field and talk to as many customers, prospective buyers as possible, and they sow the seed of relationship on your behalf, so that the next meeting, if they have a chance to meet with a hot client, they can take you also in for that meeting, and you could be closing more deals in that way. Now let's come to the fourth step that can help you to tip that can help you to accelerate sales, and that is by having the right developing the sales training system for your sales team. Develop sales training system, because selling requires certain set of skills. You need to have prospecting skills, you need to develop your qualifying skills. How do you qualify people? How do you qualify your leads? You need to be able to ask right questions, listen to people's concern. You need to have negotiation skills, you need to have presentation skills, you need to have objection handling skills. You need to be able to close deals finally, because you are not in the presentation business, you are in the closing business. You need to be able to take commitments of people, and all of it requires skills. So have a sales training system for your sales team, which is the fourth point. The fifth strategy that can help you to scale up sales is when you have the sales performance management system for your sales team. Sales performance management system is basically about reviewing the performance of your people in your sales department on a weekly basis, by having all the data in place of all the people for the whole week that they have, based on the kind of work that they have done for the whole week, number of meetings they have done, number of prospects they have identified, number of deals they have closed. All of these things require certain kind of a system where you are able to store it, where you are able to access it and assess those data in order to see who is performing well, where you need to give assistance to people, and how you could be solving some of their challenges when it comes to closing deals. So these are my 5 tips for anyone, any business owner, in order to amplify your sales, to scale up your sales in your business. On that note, this is Jensen signing off for now. I will see you inside my next video. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.